Time for another unboxing, and today we're talking care of. The ninja moves have nothing to do with anything really. So a lot of the packaging that we unbox here comes from the team here finding stuff, our friends and family. They know we're nerds and they tell us about stuff. This one today comes from somebody from the team that has signed up for the vitamin supplement brand called Care Of. And she has been kind enough to bring in some of the samples for us to take a look at. So I actually went online a couple weeks ago and took the quiz. So I was curious what this whole process was. So I went to their site and they ask you all these questions. Are you skeptical of these, vitamins and supplements? Are you on board? Are you, they kind of go through all this stuff. Are you sedentary? Are you super active? Do you eat healthy? Could you care less? They kind of go through all these series of questions and then claim to give you a custom mix of vitamins and supplements. And so the brand itself, though, is all about customization or personalization, really, not customization, but you can also customize. And I think the first time that you get a kit from them, they don't hide that fact. It's really all about personalization. Packaging, basically solid orange throughout. And then on the inside here, it's a nice little welcome. So they've got honest guidance, better ingredients, a little high, that's friendly. They've got some purple tissue in here, a couple of gifts that you can get. I don't know a ton about the program, but I guess if you are taking them regularly, you log it on the app and then you are eligible for some gifts. I think they have a sign-on, I don't know. But yeah, these were a couple of the gifts that were included in this pack. A little corduroy hat, isn't that cute? Maybe I'll wear it. There we go. Looks horrible on me, but we're gonna rock it. This is where things start really getting customized. They tell you, have your name right here on this booklet. So digital printing throughout, really cool use of digital printing. They go through here and on the first page, they tell you all of the things that are in your kit and talk about them specifically. So you don't have to figure out what's in your kit and research everything. They tell you exactly there. Then they walk through some of the different vitamins and minerals and the nutritional information in this booklet. It's really all about customization. So apparently these are the dispenser boxes that come with it. And then all of your vitamins are supplements, whatever you want to call them, are in individual little packets inside of that. Every month, the design of this changes, I'm told, but this is something. You get a new one of these each month of your prescription. Subscription. So you have 30 packs in here, and yeah, these are also interesting. They are just little poly packs. You can see they're translucent, so you can see everything that's in them. Again, it's got your name. My name is not Sarah, but thank you, Sarah, for letting us borrow your pills. And then it's got different quotes and different little blocks of text on each one. So maybe motivational. Nelson Mandela says it always seems impossible until it's done. And Michael Jordan says, I failed over and over and over again in my life, and that's why I succeed. So a little motivational quip for each day. But we're gonna stop and talk about something that they did just last year, I guess. These are their old ones, and these are the new packs. I have not verified or validated this, but they claim to have moved to a material that is compostable. preferably industrial compostable, but they say you can home compost it. I've not verified that, but they make a point of talking about this on their site, and they're starting to talk, I think, a little more about their efforts towards sustainability and towards the materials that they're choosing, because these are disposable. These are thrown away every day, and there's a lot, you know, one a day. So it's interesting to see this brand step up and pay attention to that packaging, understand the waste that's being created and what they might be able to do. But I do need to do some digging into this. If you know anything about this before I go digging on it, shoot us a message, make a comment. Have you tried these yourself? Maybe I'll just eat Sarah's. If you have any other ideas for things that we should unbox, take a look at, overanalyze, let us know below. And I hope you enjoyed another unboxing video, this one of Care of.